Hey guys, how's it going? How to check streaks on TikTok. First of all, launch the TikTok, okay? And then tap on the inbox icon at the bottom right, okay? You can see it here. And then find the chat with a friend with whom you think you have the streak. And if you have ongoing streaks, what you're gonna do, you should see a fire icon next to the number of days you've maintained the streak in the chat. And then TikTok streaks function similarly to Snapchat streaks, where you maintain a streak by messaging each other daily. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.